Let me show you how professionals match their skin tone in Photoshop in just 1 minute using the Retouch Academy plugins. So first of all, head to where you have the logo of the Retouch Academy, click on it. The panel is going to open and just click on the magical skin tone. So after clicking, allow it to load. Once it's done loading, make sure before you click on this magical skin tone, you have actually selected just the skin of the image you want to add this effect to. So after clicking on that, I'll come to the select, which I already did my selection earlier. So I'm just going to click on load selection. So after that, I'll now select the skin selection right here, which I did, and I'll click OK. So after that, this has been added. So just click on any selecting tools and just head to your image, right click and click on fader and fader it to 3. Click OK. So the next thing is to pick a mixer brush or a brush, a normal brush, not a mixer brush. So right click on it, make sure it's on the hardness is on 0, and once that is done, you just hit OK and make sure this your foreground color is on white, just to unveil what is on this black layer mask. So just start brushing on your image just like this. You can come to this key after the 2 brackets and click on it just to know where the effect is being added to, and make sure your foreground color is on white and just brush to unveil what's on the black layer mask. So I'm just going to brush it just like this. So I'll brush it. So this selection helps perfect where just the skin is. So if I use a normal brush, I might just brush and enter the dress and all of that. So this selection helps a lot. So I'm just going to brush it just like this. Just going to unveil all of this. Then I'll come right here, then brush to unveil what's on the black layer mask. So once I'm done with this, I'll still come to this key after the 2 brackets. Then I'll click on it. Then to deselect this, I'll just come pick on any selecting tool just like this. I'll pick on the quick selection, then I'll come right click and click on the select to deselect the selection I did. So this is actually how to apply or to match your skin tone. So this is the before and this is the after. So I've successfully enriched the skin and also matched the skin tone on all this image. So this is the techniques professionals do use in matching the skin tone in Photoshop. So thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos. But for now, I hope to see you in my next video.